Hey fellas, my video message today is for the men, and I want to first wish all the fathers a happy Father's Day. I know Father's Day is on Sunday, so I'm wishing you happy Father's Day a little bit early, but you guys understand. Anywho, my video message is for the men, and I just want to tell you guys, don't ever let a woman throw in your face her education or how she can find a man better than you just because you guys start having problems. A lot of times in relationships, women become kind of arrogant, and they become, I guess, defensive when a man tries to check them on something that's wrong with them. A lot of times when a man is in a marriage or a relationship with a woman, what he will do is point out things that disturb him or upset him to the woman. And a lot of times I've had cases where I've seen women in a situation where a man has corrected them or checked them on something that they were doing that were inappropriate. Like a man will tell you, you need to watch your mouth. You got a smart mouth. You talking real smart to me, and I don't like how you talking to me. Or they'll say, you curse too much. You need to stop cursing so much. Or you need to cook. You need to clean up. You need to dress better. It's various things that a man will say to a woman to try to get her to improve her behavior. But what a lot of times a lot of women will do, if a man threatens to, I guess, leave a woman or tell a woman that he's fed up with her attitude and stuff that she does, a lot of women will resort to, but I went to school and I'm educated. You didn't go to school. You don't have no degree. And I could get a man that's better than you. So-and-so got this, and he got that, and so-and-so tried to talk to me, and blah, blah this, and blah, blah that. And a woman has a way, I'm included in this, a woman has a way of saying something to a man to break him. And a woman sometimes has a way of, I don't want to say emasculating a man. I don't want to say that because that's like a whole nother subject. Because it is women out here that will try to emasculate a man. I don't want to say that. But women, we have something in us as far as our attitude and how we speak. We can have a venom tongue. And we just have this way of talking to a man or talking down to a man, saying something to a man that can break him or that can tear his confidence down. And what's the quickest way to tear a man's confidence down? By saying something that he has not accomplished, but throwing in his face something that you have, or throwing in his face how it's men or a man out here that's better than him. So fellas, I just want to tell you, don't ever allow a woman to come to you like that. Because I'm going to tell you, when I had an ex, my ex-husband, I'm not saying that I was this perfect person. I wasn't. He wasn't perfect either. But one thing that I did learn on my journey and being single now, it was a lot of times that I talked down to him. And it was a lot of times I said horrible things to him. And so what I'm telling you is that a woman, what I want to say first before I get to that is that a man, you guys like respect. I learned that. I learned that on my journey, that men like respect. You guys, it's about respect with you guys. You don't like a woman to talk to you crazy. You don't like a woman in your face cussing you out, calling you out of your name, and throwing up in your face certain things that she can do or certain things that she has when you trying to check her or correct her on something. So if any of you fellas is in that position where a woman, you're trying to correct her on something she's doing that's bothering you or that's hurting you, don't ever allow a woman to throw up in your face how she's educated, how she can find a man better than you, how she did this for you. It's some men, some of you all out here, it is women that you are currently with or that you've had, and they've dug you out the dirt. Literally, you were broke, you didn't have money. That woman spent a lot of money on you. Some women have helped pay for your education. Some women have moved you in their crib, and they buying you clothes, they paying your cell phone bill, they doing different things because you may have fell off for a while. I'm not saying in this video message is not for bum men. And I'm not trying to be mean, but this is not for men that's living off of women. This video message is for actual real men, whether you work or not. But you may have just be you may just be in a rocky place in your life right now, and you probably lost your job, or you probably came out of jail, just a different circumstance, and you have a woman or a lady that's in your life and she's trying to help you out. But even in that case, whatever that woman is doing for you, fellas, I'm telling you, don't allow a woman to talk down to you. I made a promise to myself. I didn't necessarily make a promise to God, but I did say that once I got married again, I was not going to disrespect my man, and I was not going to talk to him any kind of way. I did make that promise to myself because I understand that how we talk to men, I understand that it does hurt their feelings. So I did say that I was going to change that part about myself and be different when it comes to that. So that's my video message to you fellas, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys kind of change what you allow women to do to you and what you allow women to say. And I'm a woman, you know. I was asked by one of my guys yesterday to make a video coming from you all's perspective. And I know that a lot of men go through this. And like I said, I was a woman many years ago when I was married. When I got mad at my ex-husband, I talked to him crazy. And see, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you go through in your relationship or how angry you are. You still should always maintain a level of respect, whether it's the man having respect for the woman or the woman having respect for the man. So guys, remember that. Get your confidence up. And a woman that is not helping you to be positive, or a woman that does not know how to talk to you, and a woman that's constantly always throwing up in your face her accomplishments or what she's done for you, you might want to consider getting a different kind of woman.